how to log into TikTok website using the QR code from TikTok. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for tiktok.com. Now click on Not Now. Once you're in this page, tap on your profile and then tap on Login. Once again click on Not Now at the bottom. You can see the QR code option is not available. In order to get that option, click on this three dot at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then click on Request Desktop Site. There you can see that the QR code option is available to you now. Click on it. One QR code will be visible to you. In order for you to scan this, head over to your application TikTok. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. And then click on Share Profile. Click on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now from here, simply scan the QR code from the website, and after that, you will be logged into your specific account on the website. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.